Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can publish a draft post on Business Suite. So let's get started. Firstly, open Business Suite app in your device. Next, tap on Content. Then you can see the option of Drafts. Tap on it. Next, you can see the draft post. Beside it, you can see the option of three dots icon. Tap on it. Next, tap on Publish Post. Then wait for a while. So, this is how you can publish a draft post on Business Suite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.